If you're having an issue with an Oral-B electric toothbrush, and it doesn't matter what model Oral-B that you have, that's blinking red and or making a beeping noise, it'll go beep, beep, beep. Usually it'll have both of those issues. It usually happens after you have it on, and as soon as you turn it off, it'll start beeping, and then or it'll start blinking red. That just means that the battery is dead, or it's about to die. Now you might say, well, I've already charged it. It shouldn't be doing that. Well, there might be an issue when you charged it that it wasn't making a flush connection to the base. So make double sure that there's no obstruction here where it plugs into the base. Make sure you have it in the right direction. It's got to be like this. Check your wall outlet and make sure that it's not tripped up. So a lot of times these wall outlets, especially in bathrooms, will trip up. So make sure you hit that and reset it. You might want to try a different item like a hair dryer, make sure that it's working, or just try a different outlet altogether, and then let it sit for an hour and see if that will charge it and fix the issue. A lot of times that will fix the issue. Usually these bases last forever, so it's usually not the base. You can try a different base, but it's usually not the issue. If you've tried that and it's still making that noise, one thing you could do is you can do a hard reset. So in order to do that is make sure it's on the base for 30 minutes while it's charging. And then what I want you to do is hold down the power button for a good 15 seconds and don't let go. And basically you just hold down the power button wherever it's at, and it might start vibrating or making noise. Now some of them will actually turn red as I'm holding this down. All right, sometimes it'll hold red. Now some of the newer models, like this is the 5000, you can actually press both buttons. There's actually two buttons, one that does speed and the power. Hold both of these down for like 15 seconds while it's plugged into the base. All right, and then see if that will fix your issue. A lot of times a hard reset will fix the issue. So these Oral-Bs do have like a nickel-plated lithium battery inside of them. So what happens is over time they will wear out. Now they should last a long time. Mine, the one that I had before this one, lasted 10 years. You might have to just charge it more. So if you're noticing it's beeping as soon as you use it the first time, you may have had it for several years and it's just you need to charge it more. It might last you a couple of days. It might only last you a day. Just make sure when you're done, you always keep it on the base and it's fully charging, and get all the use you can out of your electric toothbrush. So it could be just the battery's done. I highly recommend not trying to replace the battery because it's soldered in, and you might as well just get a new electric toothbrush. All right, if that's the issue. And of course, I highly recommend Oral-B. All right. So finally, last but not least, I'll link a video at the end of this one. You could actually, if the battery is not working really well anymore, you can actually toss it in the freezer in your refrigerator and let it stay frozen in the freezer for about 12 to 15 hours. Take it out, then let it sit for room temperature for a half an hour, and then turn it on and see if that will fix it and that it'll charge better. You'll find that a lot of times freezing the lithium battery will change the chemistry of the battery. It's kind of a cool technique. Now, I'm not saying it's going to make it brand new again, but it can give you a little bit more life out of your electric toothbrush. And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can buy a brand new one off of Amazon. Again, they're worth their weight in gold. I mean, of all the dental care that you avoid by having an Oral-B electric toothbrush. Better than Philips Sonicare. Better, of course, than a manual toothbrush. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.